अगर आपने K3G यानी कि कभी खुशी कभी गम देखी है तो आपको वो छोटी सी प्यारी सी बबी सी चबी सी बच्ची भी याद होगी जिसने छोटी पू यानी छोटी करीना का रोल प्ले किया था। वो चबी सी बच्ची अब बड़ी हो चुकी है एंड शी टर्न इनटू अ ब्यूटीफुल गॉर्जियस यंग वुमन जो कि अपना बॉलीवुड डेब्यू भी कर चुकी है। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द गॉर्जियस मालविका जो इस वक्त हमारे साथ है। उनसे हम ढेर सारी बातें करेंगे। फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, मालविका, वार्म वेलकम ऑन आवर प्लेटफॉर्म ऑन पंजाब केसरी नवोदय टाइम्स।
थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके, सो फिल्म रिलीज हो चुकी है, बॉलीवुड डेब्यू हो चुका है। सो आई वांट टू नो टू फीलिंग्स। वन वाज रिलीज के पहले वाली फीलिंग, और अब जबकि रिलीज हो चुकी है ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म पे, कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, रिव्यूज आ रहे हैं, नाउ व्हाट इज द फीलिंग?
तो initially तो we were like, please release the film now fast because we've been working on it for 2 years and we were like, it's been so long क्योंकि पूरा साल हमारा गया because of COVID. So we were just like, abhi release kar do. We've all held on to this one film for so long. So we were like, we just want everybody to see our work, to see the film. And so obviously nervousness tha, there were butterflies in the stomach. Lekin post release, I'm just very happy with the reviews that I have got for my performance, especially. Everybody has really been like praising me a lot. So I'm very happy.
ग्रेट एंड टच वुड टू दैट हैप्पीनेस। ऐसे ही और जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट्स आप करें ऐसे ही प्रेज और हैप्पीनेस आपको मिलती रहे। बट सिंस यू मेंशन के कोविड बीच में आ गया था, सो देयर वाज दिस गैप फॉर द रिलीज, एंड इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग शूटिंग भी दो फेजेस में हुई। वन वाज बिफोर द कोविड पीरियड और फिर एक शायद कोविड के पीरियड में आप लोग गए थे, तो वो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था?
So it was scary, of course, क्योंकि कोविड के बीचों बीच हम गए थे. वी हैव ट्रैवल्ड, एंड सब बोलते हैं एयरपोर्ट्स और सब में तो सबसे ज्यादा स्केयर था. एंड वी वेंट एट द प्राइम टाइम, अक्टूबर 2020 वी वेंट. तो पूरा द फर्स्ट फुल जो वेव चल रहा था, दैट टाइम इट वाज at its peak. So we were all like really scared and all. We had our masks on, we had sanitizers, we had gloves, we had those PP kits on. Even while shooting, like every 1-2 hours, the stuntmen or jo bhi lightmen or jo bhi the hamare crew ke, they were all getting tested. Only the actors were like not okay without the mask. That too only during cut. सबके पूरा प्लेस दे वो सैनिटाइज एवरी 2 hours. लकीली टचवुड किसी को सेट पर कोविड नहीं हुआ. और हम सब, because you're in Belarus, वहां पर अगर कोविड हो गया, then to come back to India would have been a very big issue.
Correct.
So we all, though I was inside little chill क्योंकि I just actually got COVID in September.
Okay.
So when I went with full antibodies. So I was mentally a little more chill than everyone else. Again, it was a very different situation from our first schedule to the second schedule.
Correct. Okay, and now let's talk about the role. Okay, क्योंकि full action packed movie है और you're not some damsel in distress जैसे कि generally हमारी Bollywood films में generally girls का role होता है. You're there in the action, in the middle of it all. So tell me how this role happened and what made you say yes to it.
So I wanted to do something out of the box for my first film. कुछ अलग ताकि कुछ different लगे. And जब नीलेश ने मुझे कहानी बताई, he told me that I'll be doing action with Rinzing himself in the film. And it's not the kind that he's coming to save you or something. You both are going to fight and save a child together. So that is something that got me excited. I was like, okay, this is something interesting. It's something different. It's something that, it's not a conventional Bollywood debut. And when I heard of the full script and all, I was like, it's a very good plot, this film, and it could, it could make a nice change and it would be a nice different script. So I had to properly train for it क्योंकि मुझे initially कुछ action नहीं आती थी. मेरी training has always been with dance, with acting, with diction. तो जब MMA, weapons training, combat action का training मुझे मिला because of squad, I was just very like, it was very new to me. तो पहले it was very challenging. लेकिन फिर over time, obviously we trained for 6 months. So by the time we went for shoot, so I was ready to kick ass.
Correct. And also, it's the movie is such के the action is there all throughout. मतलब एक moment of there's no pause. सारा
Yeah,
time
yeah,
movie
yeah.
में action
It's a
हो रहा
full
है.
out and out action.
Correct, correct. So
आपने
that
देखी है
requires,
picture?
yes. So that requires a lot of training. That requires, because
It did.
you guys have to look believable. Otherwise, लगेगा अरे ये क्या कर रहे
Yeah.
हैं, है ना?
And
So
you have to be fit. Yeah, of course, you have to be fit also because the guns that we are holding throughout in the film, on our back, in our hand, they're all real guns. All
Correct.
of them. So they're all really heavy, the guns. So, holding those guns in the uniform from morning to evening, every day, you have to be fit. You have to be strong. Otherwise, it's not possible to do that.
Correct, correct. So tell me, you said, of course, आपने 6 minute training की, but what was the grit and grind behind all of it? I'm sure there may be many bruises to tell all the story. तो क्या रही वो पूरी कहानी, from the 6 month training to actually doing it on shoot?
So मेरे लिए तो it was very new, like I said, like Rinzing, he was very used to it. He's been training for action since he's a kid. So for me, it was very different. So it was like, matlab, I didn't even know how to throw a punch initially. It was that different for me. So I enjoyed the full process. We had 2 trainers from Poland who came to train us for the full grind. And हमको obviously action movie है, 2-3 बार आँख में कुछ punch मिला, मुझे pimple मिला. So we have got, like, by the time I finished shooting for the film, my body was full of bruises.
I'm sure.
I had like blue marks, pink marks, green marks all over me. And but this is something, it was an experience, this film. It's something that you've learned from. I take back a lot of memories and also a lot of action. Like now, today, to do another action movie, I'm much more confident.
Correct.
I know I can handle an action movie.
Yeah. And
because you've obviously, it's a practical experience that you've got.
Yes. And I think it's a very fortunate thing also that you started with an action film, because we have a lot of action heroes. लेकिन जब a female protagonist की बात आती है, so I think we can count the names on our fingers. 2-3 ही लोग हैं जिनको आप उस रोल में देखना पसंद करेंगे. As audience हम digest कर पाएंगे. So you have started with a bang, because next time there is an action film, I think audience मतलब हाथों हाथ लेगी. मालविका, yes, because you look so believable in it. Okay, but आपकी और Rinzing दोनों की debut film थी. So what was the level of nervousness for both of you, or you were at ease with how you were doing day one of shooting? कैसा था?
I think training time only, we spent so much time together, and Rinzing and me are like childhood friends, and so we're very comfortable with each other. So I think we spent so much time in training the full process that by the time shooting came, we were not nervous at all. We were both very confident on set, and it's like, this is what we want to do.
Okay.
And so the process was, I think it started, and by the time it got over, so we were all like one full family. So
okay, but yours wasn't.
We were one squad.
One squad, yeah. And it looked like that in the film. It came out also. But Malvika, आप लोगों का जो debut था wasn't an ordinary debut of 2 young stars who want to be there in the frame now, because behind you, both of you, is a certain legacy that you carry from your families. तो वो कभी ऐसा लगा यार ये क्या इतनी भारी सी responsibility है that we also have to carry?
Not at all.
No?
So I'm trained as a professional actor since a child, and my training has not stopped. So for me, I mean, my family also, they are very like, if you want to do it, you do it with your 100%, otherwise don't do it. So I started believing I'm a soldier on set, and I got into that full mindset. So not at all. I was enjoying every single day of my shooting over there. I love acting. Yeah. So for me, being on set and waking up and shooting, and it was such a beautiful place, Vanto. So it was lots of fun shooting. Not one day did I go like, "Ye kya ho raha hai?" I enjoyed every single minute of mine.
Okay, that's great. अच्छा, आपने बोला you love acting, but for somebody who started with K3G and there's a very memorable role, आज भी मतलब लोग उन characters को याद रखते हैं. Unlike the other child actors, you did not follow in their footsteps. Instead, you concentrated on your studies, completed your schooling, and everything else. So why that? You didn't pursue acting, and now you've done it as like when you're a grown person.
Post Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, you can imagine I got a lot of offers as a child actor and all. But my parents wanted me to be like a normal child going to school, finishing her education. They didn't want me to be distracted because I'm anyway a distracted child. I was a brat in school. And they wanted me to finish my education first and then pursue your dreams.
Hmm.
So my training though never stopped for acting. It never stopped. Like I was always into my dance class, into acting class. School also was always into dramatics. So, that's something that's always been inside me that I wanted to do. So post college, then I started modeling also. I did fashion runways and I walked for like many designers and fashion weeks, and I enjoyed the full fashion phase of my life too, because I love high fashion. And then finally, when I started doing my movie, is when I realized that there's nowhere else on earth I want to be.
Wow. Okay. But एक चीज और है, like K3G का जो genre था, and since you said your training has always been in the typical cliche Bollywood that all of us have gotten used to, जिसको देख के बड़े हुए हैं. Now, of course, times are changing.
But things that will definitely work for me, because dance is something that works for an actress. Acting needs to be A game today. You can't
Correct.
be an ordinary actor seeing the competition around you. And Hindi diction तो obviously हम मुंबई में रहते तो है ही, लेकिन फिर भी to just keep brushing it up time and again.
लेकिन K3G was, and people were expecting कि when Malvika comes and, whenever आप debut करेंगे, so, certain expectation के, अच्छा शायद same genre में करेंगे, maybe romance, maybe comedy, but then you outdid everyone with their thoughts and went into action straight away. तो ये planned था or it happened by chance?
It was not planned, because I didn't know a squad is going to come to me. For me, I was looking at something interesting, something different that caught my attention. And when squad came to me, it just all fell in place because it's something different. Jaise aapne bola tha, it comes across like I will do the conventional commercial films.
Correct.
Though I would love to do like for my second film, I really want to do a conventional commercial film where there's the love story and there's all the romance and acting, and I love all of that. That's my area. You know
Correct.
what I'm saying? So though I thoroughly did enjoy myself doing action, I would love to do another action movie too. I think I will do another action movie too for sure. Like I enjoyed it so much, and so it was all nothing planned. You can't plan anything in this industry.
So it just happened,
just
fell
happened.
into place, and the result is there कि आपको अच्छे reviews मिल रहे हैं, both from the audience and of course the critics as well. May that continue for you, Malvika. But every actor, चाहे उसको 10 साल 20 साल हो गए industry में, एक bucket list हमेशा carry करता है of a certain kind of project he or she would love to do, certain kind of roles that they would love to do. You have just started, so I'm sure बहुत बड़ी bucket list होगी आपकी. Top 3 or 4 but top 3 or 4 projects or roles, जैसे मान लो कल की कोई फिल्म थी which आज अगर बने दोबारा, you would love to be a part of it.
There are so many, like our industry is filled with such talent, and in all fields, be it actors, directors, cameramen, like everyone in our industry today. There's so many different departments where people are so good and so talented. So I can't choose anyone right now. There are so many. I've just
but अगर किसी पुरानी classic film का remake बनना हो,
I'm telling you, it's too long to choose right now.
I am sure, but एक होता है ना कि जैसे अगर मुझे कोई बोला, it's like I can watch Sholay again and again. तो ऐसे अगर कोई पुरानी classic का remake बनना हो या बनेगा, and you would love to be a part of it.
I'm thinking. Maybe Dil To Pagal Hai. I love that film.
Yeah, everybody does.
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope जितनी आपकी bucket list में चीजें हैं मालविका, वो definitely fulfill हो. But would you limit yourself to just being a film actor, because आज OTT भी आ चुका है and a lot of established actors are moving into this whole OTT era and zone. Are you open to all of that?
Most definitely. I think today just theatre and the opportunities for an actor have worsened and increased so much that I feel just theatre today is not enough. Like you have so many more opportunities, so explore it. And we are lucky, in fact, that the time that I'm living in, we have these opportunities too. So I think a good project, a good script today is my key number one priority for signing my next film.
Wow. So I think your path is all set for you. It's there in your mind. It's very clear.
But you never know. You never know what happens there.
Actually, but I
Like I
really,
said, nothing is planned.
yeah, nothing is planned. But I really
And whatever
hope,
you plan, it never goes the same way. So you just have to be open to what life throws on you.
correct. But I hope life throws the best and whatever you actually truly deserve because of your hard work and talent. Jate jate Malvika,
Thank you.
any message for your fans who are watching now, us now?
Just thank you so much for all the love and appreciation that you all have given me. I am truly touched and very happy. For the people who have not watched Squad, please go to Z5 and watch my movie.
Yes, आपको थिएटर भी नहीं जाना है, सीधे अपने टीवी से ही आप देख सकते हैं, अपने
बस
फोन से देख सकते हैं.
सोफे पर बैठो,
Malvika has
on
made it
करो,
so easy
Squad
for us.
enjoy.
कहीं नहीं जाना है आपने.
कहीं नहीं जाना.
Okay, so on
बस
that
अपने
note,
टीवी के सामने बैठिए.
I know. On that note, I wish you all the luck for all your future projects and maybe have many more opportunities for interviews like these, because it was a pleasure talking to you.
Pleasure was all mine. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.